2 weeks ago, I lost my first car. Insurance gave me nothing, and today I went and got her back. Well, not her, but something close. If you have been following this series, you know exactly what this past 2 weeks has looked like. My girlfriend totaled my first car on a rainy night at a traffic light. Insurance told me I had no collision coverage, so they couldn't give me a cent. And I had to take over $6,000 out of my own savings to start over. I looked at 3 different cars: a 2003 Camry, a 2006 Camry with a beautiful interior but a bad subframe, and then this car, a 2010 Toyota Corolla CE. Same year as my totaled car. Lower trim, manual windows. The AC needs work, but 190,000 kilometers on the dash. That's barely broken for a car in this age. And the moment I sat in it, I knew today was the day. Went to the bank, grabbed the cash, got it insured, went to register it and made it official. There's something about signing papers on a car that hits different when you know what it costs you to get there. Not just the money, the stress, the frustration, the nights thinking about what happened and what comes next. But sitting in that car, driving it home for the first time as the owner, that feeling made everything worth it. She drives exactly like my old one. Smooth, reliable, familiar, like she already knows me. But the exhaust just sounds different because it's the stock exhaust, and that's okay. Now I have 2 cars: the GR86, the front car, the content car, the one I am building, and the Corolla, the one that showed up when things got hard. And finding this Corolla quickly after everything that's happened, that's rare. A clean 2010 Corolla with 190,000 kilometers showing up that exact moment I needed it. That already means something to me. Is it my old Corolla? No, it's a CE, not an S-trim. Manual windows, not powered windows. One step below what I had, but it's reliable, it's clean, it's mine, and it already has a spot in my heart. But I need to be honest, it will never overcome my old Corolla. Never. Before I close this chapter, I need to say something to the one that started it all. 320,000 kilometers. My first ever car. You never gave me a major problem. You were always there for me when I needed you the most. Through everything, the business, the content, the late nights, the early mornings, you showed up every single time. And now, you're gone. Not how I planned it, not how I wanted it, but you went out doing what you always did, being there when I needed you the most. If there's an afterlife for cars, I hope you're enjoying it right now, because 320,000 kilometers on you before you got totaled says you suffered a lot. You earned your rest. I'll never forget you. This channel started with 2 cars, and it still has 2 cars. The story isn't over yet, it's just different now. The GR86 isn't going anywhere. The builds, the mods, the content, all of that continues. And this Corolla, she's going to be part of the journey too. Every mile, every moment, right here on this channel. If you've been watching this series from the beginning, thank you. Genuinely, the comments kept me going through a tough couple of weeks. If you are just finding this channel now, start from video 1. The link is in the description. Subscribe, because this is just the beginning. The best content on this channel hasn't happened yet, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.